guys, welcome back to another video, and we're currently in this thing. So now you can buy the sticker gun without doing anything, and there's this giant looking on maze, and I think this might be.
Oh, it shows you where Felicia is. It shows you where Felicia is.
This might be a boss room. Oh, and you have to battle Felicia.
If it gets dark right when we get in here. Oh.
Jesse, I don't have a grappler. I don't have a grappler.
Come here. It's a button. It's a button.
I don't have a grappler. I'm scared to press the board.
Ah! Go in it. It lags your game out when you go in it.
Not really.
All right, come over here. If we lose each other in this maze,
we gotta, guys, we'll cut the video real quick because we're gonna come back with supplies. Hey guys, we're back, and now we have Brownleaf with us, so let's charge.
Oh, I just got blood.
We yearn for the maze. This time we
yearn. As a child,
guys,
I yearned for the mines.
Come here, guys, look. Look what I have in my bag, just in case Bloody Mary shows up. I came prepared. Okay, so who's gonna carry it? Who's gonna carry it?
Me, I'll carry it. I'm the protector. I'm the protector.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I'm scared.
Bro,
I took a photo. Okay, come on, let's go. What? Nothing. Oh, I've never seen this monster. Oh, button. No, don't run that. Do we have to priest it?
You're so annoying, Jesse.
Oh, we found the exit. Oh,
bro.
Wait, we did?
No, we went in a circle.
What? Wait for me. Guys, coming. I found another button.
Whoa, don't press the button.
Ow! I'm gonna shoot, bro. Oh, button.
Bro!
Button, I pressed the button. Button! I pressed the button. Oh, freak! I hear. What the freak is that?
It's the chicken! It's the chicken! Shoot it!
I have a weapon! Well, why won't this thing die?
I told you, the button.
I earned it.
I told you, the buttons don't do anything. The buttons attract it. Bro, now I'm low.
How are you low? You have a grappler.
No, I'm low because earlier you hit me so much, and then the chicken hit me.
I want to check out this area.
Don't press the button. You're so
I might have pressed it. Why you don't press the button? Is it bad or something?
Boom.
Where are you guys? Don't show him it. Don't show him. Dead end.
I heard the chicken. It's like, I think it maybe might be right there. So let's go.
Guys, I just gotta press another button. No, you don't. Do you guys hear something?
Yeah, no, that's a chicken. That's Felicia.
Where'd y'all go?
That's Natina Natasha.
Guys. Oh! Bro!
Where's Natina Natasha at?
Look at me.
Where's Natina Natasha? Natina Natasha, where are you?
You guys left me.
Oh, wait, I hear you. You're like right here. Stay still.
Tina Natasha.
I found Tina Natasha.
I didn't even go to the bathroom. I went to the bathroom
Follow me.
upstairs.
Follow me. Follow me.
Jesse.
Then Tina Natasha's. Come here. Guys, no Tina Natasha's. Come on.
It wasn't me. I went to the bathroom upstairs. I said I went to the bathroom upstairs.
And guys, I'm sorry what you have to feel right now.
Yes, it was. What does it mean? I went to the bathroom upstairs before I came down here.
Oh my guys, follow me. Yeah?
Okay.
Not Tina Natasha. Dang it.
But why are we stuck in this maze?
Tina Natasha.
Where's Natasha? Where's that? Ooh, button! Stop! Oh, I attracted her. Stop jumping! Come here, I'm gonna hit you with my pipe. Stop jumping! Please stop jumping. Thank you.
Don't press the buttons.
Don't press it. Oh, an arrow. Oh, that didn't work. What does that do?
Oh, that actually hurts me. Okay, well, come on.
We could wait. You guys said press the buttons. No.
No, don't press the buttons. That's what
Press the biggie, liggy, lickers.
I know they look tasty, but don't.
Oh, tasty. They're not tasty. Just follow us.
Egg! The Easter egg!
Egg? Oh.
Egg!
Do we have to get the egg?
We'll probably
Does it
sell
sell for a lot?
Probably.
I'll press the button.
I suggest getting out of here.
Yeah, me too.
Jesse, where do you put the camera? Bloody Mary! Where's the camera?
I'll get it out.
Be ready.
Where is she?
Follow me. Follow me. She's over here somewhere. Because I just heard the sound.
I hear the monster. Oh, I hear the monster. My button pressing has come to good use.
That's because the monster is like right over there.
No, he's over there.
No, the
He
monster
spawns by where
spawns
the
over
egg
there.
is.
Yeah. Maybe the egg spawned back. Maybe the egg spawned back.
Alright, let's go back to
Should
the
we
egg.
just grind eggs?
Yeah. I'll keep watch.
Get your
Let's go
pickaxes
back to
out,
the egg.
boys. Oh, Bloody Mary!
I'm looking for her. I can't find her. I'm gonna stand and watch here. Let's just wait here and just chill.
I got a picture of you.
Bro.
How do you have red watch? Me?
You don't-
I don't have red watch. I'm not
The chicken's coming.
The chicken is coming. I'm gonna take a picture of the chicken. Coming from that way.
Actually, you could sell that for a lot. Come on. Let's go.
Chicken. Oh. Where is she? I don't know. She's not appearing. Let's just go back to the egg. No, wait, I gotta press a button. Bro, stop being annoying. Or should she coming? Big Mama coming.
Press
You guys
the
are gonna
buttons.
have to kill her because I have
Press
to grab on my hand.
Press all the buttons.
Okay. Where is she?
Bluey?
She didn't appear.
Bluey, where are you?
Oh, she's coming.
Ah! Chicken!
No!
I take a picture.
Stop! Stop! Get away from me!
I killed Bloody Mary. She just spawned right here.
I took a picture of her.
Get away from me.
Look! I took a picture.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Wait, do you see that thing in the middle?
Get away from
That thing in the middle, that long thing? That's Bloody Mary.
me.
Oh.
Yeah, she's getting this story right now. Alright, you gotta kill Bloody Mary. Not Bloody Mary. The Felicia. You have to kill Felicia with your pickaxe.
No, 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 no.
Are you even taking damage to her? She won't kill you if you're on the ceiling. Don't worry. I just need to take a picture. Oh shoot! Should I take a picture of her? Can Felicia stop? Thank you. Chill, Felicia.
That's my box. I killed her. Bro. Bro.
Here.
Give me.
What?
Hey. Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's search.
Oh, Felicia.
We gotta search for more things.
Felicia.
I can't believe I actually took a picture.
There's another Bloody Mary.
Where? What do you mean another? There's only one.
I heard it.
Yeah, there's only one.
No, there's
She
another
can
one.
move to different places.
I know Jesse killed her earlier when we were fighting
Yeah,
the
I
chicken.
killed her. I took a picture of her. How do you kill her? You have to take a picture of her. She doesn't give you a crate, though. He's greedy. He's greedy. She doesn't give you a crate.
Did you
Okay, let's
realize
make it
that we
to the
just
exit.
killed Cohen's girlfriend?
Let's make it to the exit.
You like this picture of you?
Bro, we need to make it to the exit so you can sell.
Chicken!
Chicken! I gotta take a picture of her.
Help!
Oh, Hunter! Hunter!
Help! I'm gonna die! No
Ow.
I'm gonna die!
Jackson, kill her. Okay. She has to stop moving.
Jackson, you suck at aiming.
Just kill her with your pickaxe. Oh, I shot her. I shot her 2 times. She should have died. Bro, stop whacking her like that. Just like spam whack. Yeah. There you go. But it wasn't my fault, bro. She kept moving around.
Flashbang.
And you wouldn't even hit her if you had.
Oh, what does this thing do?
Wait, can we please find the exit?
Wait, guys. Hey guys, we're gonna see how much this egg actually sells for. Let's go. So we got the egg in all its glory. So let's hatch it. Okay, egg. No way this sells for a lot. I think it's gonna sell for about 300 probably. Dang! That's the new way to get money. Well, that didn't really make a difference. But if y'all wanna see more videos, go check out the channel, bro. I'm